Girls, good morning. Look at this. Breakfast with crocodiles. What do you think, girls?
Very good. Best morning we had so far. Yeah.
The crocodile's just there. Oh, well, the crocodile was just there, but he'll come up again. He was so close to the boat. I think he smelt Jules. Right next to Jules' cabin. Yeah, all I have to do is get over this 5 feet, get through the hatch, use my claws to open the hatch, open the mosquito cover, get through here, get past the chocolate piles of chocolate, and I get Jules. Fuck, it's too hard. I just sit in the water. And Jules let in a bunch of mozzies last night, and we had to go on a mozzie hunt. We should have filmed that because that was quite funny.
Oh, it's my fault.
Because Margaret, well, you opened that hatch and put the screen on it.
Yeah, I put the screen on it.
Yeah. Well, when you do the screen, you should do it less deformed.
I remember the whole thing on it.
Marge, it's not Jules' fault because all the Velcro that's been stuck to the boat that we stick the screens onto is starting to come off because the glue is shit. And
It's your dodgy fault.
It is actually her fault.
It's not.
I'm just trying to make her feel better. Trying to make her feel better. But she's a bit deformed. She's got something. She does have spasms in her hands. Occasionally does this. So occasionally, yeah. See, and that's why I know she's deformed. Just a bit. No. Ah! What? Don't waste that. Was that a date?
Yeah. I asked you.
You went. You went. Does anyone want this? Far out, girl. We've got one packet left. Okay, time to bring in the crab hotels. That's right. We just like to feed the crabs in the safety of a crab hotel. This is my crab hotel there. I'm going to bring in the other crab hotel. You're welcome, crabs. I hope you had a good feed, because we don't catch mud crabs, we just feed them. But hello, what's in here? That's a funny looking crab. Oh yeah, this is a special crab. This is very rare, people. This is a Northern Territory mud crab. Look at that. Look at the jaws on that. It's a big shark for a little trap, but it's a little shark. Far out. I don't know where the other trap's gone. We're running out of tide, so I've got to get out of here. But I think because all the traps have been damaged, I think the sharks are biting or getting in and then biting their way out, because it looks like teeth marks. So I don't think the crabs have any opportunity of getting in the trap. Bugger! Alright, maintenance on Longreef. Take 2, where this time we're going stern in because I need access to the props. So one of the jobs I have to do is replace that anode in here, and as you can see, it's pretty well shot. I mean, it's not there. You should replace it way before that, but I was short on funds and I could only get it in cans. I've been avoiding it as long as possible. The other anode on the other leg is okay. So I suspect that there's some stray current corrosion here, and I want to try and find that. So to replace this, I had to buy a single collar zinc, and now I've got to replace it because we got a trip for the next 2 or 3 months where I can't actually get in the water to do it. So let's get this done. It's only 4 studs, and I'll have to clean this up, and it's a pretty easy job. I'm filming this myself because there's too many sandflies for the girls. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, all of this was filmed on my fake Pro. That's right, that's a GoPro that only cost $40. so the sound quality isn't there, so I'm going to have to dub over this. Basically I'm saying, look at that cloud, how pretty is that? And we're just going for a river cruise, and well, that's about it. Well, maybe a bit more. And possibly a bit more. Check out that cloud. Every time I hear a wave, I think there's a crop. Anyway, yeah, I polished up the shaft, it's no good, so I had to drill it. So hopefully this will be problem solved, but far out, it's still... oh yeah, that's better. Alright, we're good. Now that's the easy job. Far out. It's taken me half an hour too long just to do that. Alright, we're done here. Got a drip tray underneath. We have no spillages, it's all good. So now that should buy me 6 months to 11 months, I reckon. I reckon 6 months. Without me worrying about the props when we're in the Kimberley. So that's good, because I'm a bit concerned, because look, the water's just here. So you need a constant lookout. And the girls can't do it because there's too many sandflies. Anyway, the job's done. Tide's coming in. I'm just rotating the blade. See, one blade's in the sun to get as much sun on as possible. This is quick drying stuff, so it should be 20 minutes. Anyway, it's great. Just happy about that. I just don't have to go in. And the other one's done too.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Birds flying high.